Hello everyone, how are you? I hope that you are all fine. And today we are going to see question and answers of our poem Beauty. So students, let's begin with the question and answers. In the previous sessions, we have seen that whole poem about the beauty, and we have seen the beauty is depend on beholder's mind, right students? So let's begin new poem Beauty. Okay, so look at that question number one. The poet says beauty is heard in. Can you hear beauty? And a sound that you think is beautiful to the sounds the poet thinks are beautiful. The poet Keats said, heard melodies are sweet, but those unheard are sweeter. What do you think this means? Have you ever heard a song in your head long after the song was sung or played? Yes, beauty can be heard anywhere. As we have learned in this poem, beauty can be heard anywhere. When we hear something enriching, it attracts us towards it. We want to hear it again and again. It can be melodious song by a bird, sound of leaves, air, etc. Here, poet Keats said in the above in the above lines that melodies which we can hear are sweet, but those which we can't hear are even sweeter. They can only be imagined, and beauty lies in the imagination. Yes, memories and sometime melodies or songs, melodious songs actually stays in one's mind for a long time, and it keeps playing in one's head as it has touched that person's soul. Okay students, so this is the answer for our first question. Look at that second one. Read the first and second stanzas of the poem again. Note the following phrases: corn growing, people working or dancing and sighing, rain falling, a singer chanting. These could be written as corn that is growing, people who are working or dancing. Can you rewrite the other phrases like this? Why do you like, or why do you think the poet uses the shorter phrases? Answer: yes, we can write like a wind which is sighing, and rain which is falling, a singer who is chanting. The poet uses shorter phrases in the poem to make it more attractive and appealing. Okay, student, the poet created a particular order of rhyme scheme, and for that he uses shorter phrases. Look at that question number three. Find pictures of beautiful things you have seen or heard of. So I think you might be search it out for the beautiful things and pictures you might have seen. So this activity you can do by yourself, okay? And you do it as each one of us has a different concept of beauty. Okay, so look at that question number 4. Write a paragraph about beauty. Use your own ideas along with the ideas in the poem. You may discuss your ideas with your partner. Okay, so you have to write the paragraph. Look at that. Beauty is immortal as it remains forever. If it keeps on changing with the time, it can't be called beauty. Beauty keeps giving us joy and happiness. Some people find beauty only in a physical appearance which changes with time and place. Beauty lies within the, you can say, beauty lies within and remains constant, while good looks are deceptive. Okay, so let's see some extra question here. Uh, where can you see beauty? You can see beauty in sunlight, trees, and birds. It can also be seen in people who are working hard on fields and growing crops. Okay, look at that question number 2. Do you think beauty lies within us? Yes, beauty lies within us when our actions are good and thoughts are peace. It gets reflected through their actions. So beauty lies in actions. Okay, so question number 3: how can we find beauty in ourselves? We can find beauty in ourselves by doing good things to others and keeping good thoughts in our mind. Okay. Okay, look at that next one. This could be written as corn that is growing and people who are working are dancing. So some extra questions. How can one hear beauty in nature? How can one hear the beauty of nature or in nature? A person can hear beauty during the night. It can be heard during the rainfall. In the sound of the wind, it can also be heard when a singer is singing. It can be heard anywhere where things are done eagerly and seriously. Okay, and look at that question number 2. Is there any difference in the beauty of an object in different times? Yes, there can be difference. Example, everyone feels happy when it is sunlight during winter, but it becomes unpleasant during summer because there was a hot sun in the summer, right? Like that only. So there is a difference in beauty of an object. Look at that question number 3. Why is beauty? Sorry, what is beauty? Where can, in the poet's opinion, beauty be seen, heard, and experienced? So let's see. What is beauty? It is difficult to describe a definition or define a beauty, but beauty attracts everybody and it is appreciated all over the world. Where does beauty lie in? Well, it is visible in the sunlight, the trees, in the birds, the crops, and the harvest who dance merrily. Beauty is heard in the night when the wind blows, or rain falls, or some singer sings. But the real beauty lies in noble actions and thoughts at all times, whether working or resting. So, the real beauty lies in noble actions and thoughts at all times, whether working or resting. Okay, students, look at that. Some question. What is beauty according to the poet? Beauty is a quality which can attract everyone. It is liked by all and can be seen in the sunlight, trees, and birds. It can be heard when the wind sighs and during the rainfall. It can be also heard during the calm night. Beauty is present within us when we indulge in good activities. Our thoughts become pure to good actions. Good deeds and clean thoughts repeat themselves and bring happiness in long run. It gets reflected in work and even when we take rest. Good thoughts also come in our dreams. So like that, uh, according to the poet, mm, beauty is. Okay. So look at that next question. Here, read the extract given below and answer the following question. Beauty is seen, it is sunlight, the trees, birds, corn growing, and people working or dancing for their harvest. So, question number 1. Can you see beauty in your surroundings? Yes, we can see beauty in our surroundings, such as in birds, trees, and sunlight. Why did the people start dancing in the poem? People were dancing for their good harvest as they worked very hard on their fields. Okay. Then what was being grown on the field? Corn was being grown on the field. Okay. Then find synonym for the word harvest. Sunlight produce dark or dance? Yes, to produce means harvest. Look at that next question. Who are dancing in the above lines? Birds, beauty, growers, or farmers? Yes, absolutely farmers. Then look at that next question. The people referred here belongs to towns, cities, villages, and yes, the people that are mentioned in the poem are from villages. Look at that. Next, beauty is heard in the night, wine singing, rain falling, or a singer chanting anything in earnest. So let's see the question. Can you hear beauty in the atmosphere? Yes, we can hear the beauty in the atmosphere, such as during the rainfall and wine sign. Question 2. What do you mean by anything in earnest? We can hear beauty in any activity which has been done with eagerness and full dedication. So that is mean anything in earnest. Question 3. What were the actions of the wind and rain? In the above line, the wind was sighing while the rain was falling. Yes. Look at that. Give antonym for the word fall. Look at that option: rise, sing, dance, line. Yes, and fall means rise. Okay, then here question number 5, find the synonym for the word earnest. Senior, chant, earn, serious, and earnest means here serious. Okay, then when is beauty heard? Morning, afternoon, evening and night, and beauty is heard in night. So look at that next one. Beauty is seen in the sunlight, the trees, the birds, corn grouping, and people working or dancing for their harvest. So now read the following question and choose the most appropriate option from the given one. Okay, where we see beauty? We can see beauty in sunlight, trees, birds, all of the above. Yes, all of the above we can see the beauty. Question number 2, how do people become beautiful? By decorating their houses, by wearing beautiful dresses, or by working in fields, by traveling to a beautiful place. Yes, of course, by working in the fields. Question number 3, what makes people dance in the fields? Good harvest, beautiful scenes, beautiful birds, or fresh air? Yes, good harvest make people dance in the fields. Question number 4, and look at that. Who is the poet of this poem? A. Yeshua, Harry Bain, Lauren M. Halls, and none of the above. And yes, E. Yeshua was the poet of this poem. Okay, students. So this is all question and answers of this poem. Students, you can just write this question and answer in your notebook. Thank you for hearing.